peeps. So I just wanted to do a really quick video on my thoughts on the honey pot products. My goodness, y'all, like these products are amazing. So first we have the pads. So I bought I have the pads, wipes, and the wash. And this is all for the normal type. So I was really excited about trying these products because like I had a coworker that told me, she was like, it has a cooling sensation to it, the pads too. Like it has mint, lavender, and aloe infused inside the pad. So it has like those nice cooling effect to it. So I love it. Like it is awesome. And typically during the time of the month, I use a uterine cup. You know, I love my uterine cup. But like when my cycle first comes on and like I have very bad cramps, like if I get my period throughout the night, like I don't feel like putting a uterine cup in there. I just want to throw a pad on and take some medicine and go back to bed. This right here, these are good. Good. So I have the overnight in my hand, but I also have super. So those are the two I use, and typically at the end of my cycle, like I'm just using the uterine cup. Now let's get into the wash really quick. So the wash, oh my gosh, I've never had anything like this before. So how she came up with this, she has her story on the side of the bottle. Like if you guys wanted to, ooh, it's kind of like blurry. Well, I'm gonna read it to you guys what it is because I can't get it focused. But so she was saying she was suffering with bacterial vaginosis for 8 months when an ancestor came to her in a dream and gifted her with the vision to heal herself. With her help, I created the Honey Pot Company to solve for what other brands wouldn't through the power of herbs. Y'all, this is so good. Oh my gosh, like you're fresh all day until the next day that you get into the shower. I've never had anything like that ever before. And it's natural. It has the thing that helps keep your pH balanced is the lavender, the vinegar, and the coconut. And she also goes into detail. She was on the show that T-Pain did about businesses, and it was so good. Like she talked about how she started the company and everything. You guys could watch it. She'll tell the story again and tell you what the products that she actually put in here and stuff to pretty much heal her from bacterial vaginosis, because that's something that like bothers a lot of women. Like it's crazy. Like they say you don't catch it from your partner, but it just seems like it has to be like something. But that's what they say, and it just pretty much seems like it. I guess like you just have to make sure when you're with your partner and stuff like that, you guys are like just extra clean and like you're cleaning yourself and stuff, because like I know bacterial vaginosis is something that a lot of women have to deal with and stuff, and it's just terrible. So like I'm just thankful that she created this. And wipes are likewise, they're good also. Like if you need to go to the restroom and you just want to freshen up, like it works great. So guys, I have no bad things to say about her products. They're wonderful. They're wonderful. You need to go get some. I'm so glad I found it in Target finally. Like every time I go to the store, sold out, gone, completely gone. So guys, go to the store. This stuff works like never, ever. Like just using your pretty much your regular sensitive skin soap in your regular area, like, you know, that's good, but it'll hold you for the day. but then like it's not gonna, you gotta make sure like throughout the night, no, you gotta wash it up again. So this right here keeps you fresh till the next day. Now if you have like something going on, like she does have a sensitive one for people also. I haven't tried that one. This one works good for me. I think I paid at Target was $7.99 for this, and then I think these two were $8.99 a piece. So it ended up being like about, I have the receipt right here. So it was $27.53 for everything with tax, and I got a $5 gift card, and I also got a deal with Ibotta, tomato. But anyways, I had that. I got back $2 a piece on 2 items. It was really supposed to be 3, but they only gave me $4, but it was fine. But you know, it worked out. I got $5 gift card from Target, $4 back, $9 back, you know, savings. So yeah, you can't beat that. So if you guys can catch it on sale or not, you need to get these products. Like, you need this. You need to add this to your cabinet. Everybody needs this. Like, oh my gosh. Like, we need to stock up on it. Everybody needs this stuff. I've never had anything else that has done me this way. Nothing at all. So I'm so glad. I'm so glad that I found this. And ladies, just try it. Just try it, please. It works. So guys, thanks for watching. Let me know if you have any questions or anything in the comments, and I will see you guys later. Thanks for watching.